Do you feel frustrated that you're not able to communicate and reach out to your potential customers effectively? Do you want to skyrocket your revenues? Recent survey says that 30% increase in profits were recorded by using right audio video solutions. It is said a minute of visuals speaks 1.8 million words. Welcome to bitsydisplays.com. In today's technology-driven world, having visibility is critically important for any business to attract customers and make money. Compared to the traditional static printed signages, digital signages enable you to reach audiences more effectively and in real time. At bitsydisplays.com, we develop a variety of displays technologies to transform your brand identity. You can boost visibility with our range of digital signage systems and display solutions. Do you know, in hotels nowadays, besides welcoming the guests personally, they also use displays in rooms for welcoming the guests using the welcome screen feature to give the guest a delightful experience. Guests also get an access to displays to order food, watch video on demand, get information and make calls to housekeeping using the display. Do you know many restaurants use displays to train people remotely after the closing hours, and many organizations learn customer behavior using displays and target their product to their right customer audience. And do you know these displays are one-time paid and lifetime passive salesmen? It saves a lot of manpower and running cost. One of the classic examples are the ATMs. Tell me, whom do you interact with in an ATM? A display.
What is in your hand most of the time? Again, a display.
Whenever you think of display, think of bitsydisplays.com. The digital signage display solutions are used at shopping malls, restaurants, retail outlets, cafes, fast food outlets, hotels, banks, education institutions and hospitals. We are regional distributors of LG, Pan India and also regional distributors for MaxHub interactive flat panels for Mumbai. We have been supplying cutting-edge digital signage systems combined with the state-of-the-art menu displays, video walls, public information display, hotel display, transparent display, mirror display, indoor and outdoor pitch LEDs, pitch LED standees, and other pitch LED products. We are kiosk manufacturers and also provide audio-video solutions. Our products are tried and tested by big brands and we love to serve them. Now, let us tell you about our first offering. Do you get confused which digital signage software to use that can be centralized at a single platform? Introducing Whippy Smart Signage software which can enhance your brand digitally. This is beyond any vanilla digital software available in market. Besides video image, playing tickers and RSS feeds, scheduling is also possible. Using this software, you can integrate touch. Sensor-based activation of content is possible using touch, motion and gestures. It can be integrated with meeting rooms booking software with Gmail Calendar and Outlook. This software supports Windows, LG WebOS, Linux, Spinitex, Android and Samsung Tizen. With our successful deployment, this software is tried and trusted by great organizations. Moving on with our second offering, Whippy Kiosks. Do you want to engage and entertain your visitors in an innovative way? Your answer to this is of course and yes. And the good news is that with our range of Whippy kiosks, it is possible. We are manufacturers of kiosks and our range of kiosks includes informative kiosks, self-help kiosks, touch interactive kiosks, stretched kiosks, tablet kiosks, wayfinder kiosks, and desktop kiosks. We have 10,000 square feet manufacturing setup with in-house laser cutting machines. We have hydraulic press brakes with capacity of 3 m length with 110 T capacity that gives best bending accuracy. We are experts in carbon and argon welding and have matte buffing machines that provides perfect finishing. We are having 7-tank powder coating process, after which we do electrostatic spray deposition and at the end electrical heating oven to ensure best results of the process. So, you don't have to run from pillar to post. We are your one-stop shop for all your tailor-made needs. Isn't this what you need? Our third offering is flat interactive displays. According to the latest survey, interactive display will grow by 400% in next few years. So, why not to choose interactive panels? MaxHub Interactive Panels, your way to future. We are regional distributors for MaxHub, Mumbai. This is number 1 company in interactive flat panels in China from last 9 years with more than 3 lakh units supplied in 70 plus countries so far, and it has 27% worldwide market share. MaxHub comprises of Standard Series, Educational Series and Ultimate Series interactive flat panels. The MaxHub Standard Display is an interactive UHD impressive screens that offer all-inclusive solution, camera, microphone, front-firing speakers, intelligent graphic and writing recognition, interactive mirroring for up to 4 devices, preloaded whiteboarding and interactive collaboration software and even cloud storing. The MaxHub X3 Standard Series is easy to set up and is the perfect collaboration solution for smart classrooms, huddle spaces and boardrooms. MaxHub Education Series have bundle of application which enhance the classroom interactivity. Connect application which helps the teachers to have complete access of interactive panel on their handheld device so that teacher can move around the class and engage the students. Conduct remote lessons. Have guest lecturers from other schools, talk to students in another country, and the possibilities are endless. The MaxHub X3 Ultimate Series with integrating capacitive and EMR touch technology provides an enhanced experience with effortless writing, screen sharing and collaboration. Our fourth offering, mounting solutions and fabrication. We have a comprehensive range of advanced mounting solutions that includes the most popular projector mounts, multi-directional TV mounts, wall menu board mounts, video wall mounts, and ceiling mounts to name a few. We also provide audio-video solutions for boardrooms, conference rooms, auditorium, smart interactive classrooms, home theatre setups, and cafeteria. We also deal in LCD projector, DLP projector, short throw projectors, media players, and video processors. Our fifth offering, static displays. Signage and billboards have been around for many years, but have begun to gain more popularity during the past years because of the digital displays. Small and big companies are shifting to digital LED signs instead of traditional signage methods. Few of our deployments in static displays are Welcome to our demo center. Wouldn't you like if you get touch and feel of the product before you buy? We invite you to our demo center to experience the latest products so that you can touch and feel the product before you buy. So you get only what you see. We have in demo for you the digital display, interactive display, transparent display, mirror display, interactive kiosks, desktop kiosks, Whippy e-door sign meeting scheduler, Whippy pitch LED standee, and the most selling and popular variants in Whippy pitch LED displays P2.5, P4 and P5. Bitsy Infotech Private Limited, your IT infrastructure therapist. In addition to Bitsy Displays, this venture is a sales, system integration and services organization. Here we cater to the sales and maintenance of IT infrastructure needs of corporate and individuals. We supply IT infrastructure, that is network and enterprise management, servers and softwares. We are suppliers of laptops, desktops and computer peripherals. We also supply complete range of CCTV camera products, biometric, other access controls with installation and AMC. We also undertake in-house repairs and AMCs of desktops, laptops and Apple products, data recovery, mobile and tab repairs and software support. We are serving since 1994 with more than 1 lakh happy clients. We have 1500 plus 5-star Google reviews and the count is still increasing. We have got in-house 16/7 online support engineers who will answer to your queries. We are the only Grand Tech Award winner. We can create content for you and manage the digital signage network at our in-house control center. We serve at more than 400 locations pan-India. It is said, the bitterness of poor quality and services stays long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. So, choose wisely, choose Bitsy. Our clients have been outspoken about us and we love that. Give us an opportunity to serve you as we believe in giving people more in use value than we take from them in cash value. Remember, cheap is costly. Thanks for watching.